Welcome, everyone, to the car race! I am your wonderful blue host, Thomas the Tank Engine! Yeah, what's up? Oh, shut up! I'm good at being a host. Anyways, so today, Repper, what the heck are you doing? This guy's a pig, because he's green. That's really racist, but no, he's not a pig. And he was meant to be in the race, so, I guess... How about you, McQueen? You can, be in the race. Well, I don't really know, but no! Why can he be in the race, but not me? Because we were supposed to have 8 racers. But I'm not even fixed yet! What do you mean you're not fixed yet? I mean, like, look at my side! It's broken! My mouth hole almost came out of blood! Okay, listen, we're trains and we don't have blood. Then what are your faces made out of? Metal, duh. Whatever, just get over there. Okay, so let's get to the race. Stupid idiot. Ram him next time. Why would you ram him? Who asked you? Can you guys just shut up, please, so Thomas can speak? Yes, thank you. Anyways, so today's race is gonna be... Shut up and fix my house! You never had a house, you idiot! Okay, now let's get on to the race. Now, these are our contenders. Now, it's gonna be the brightly clean cars versus the cars with eyes and a mouth versus the box cars, not train cars, versus the race amazing cars. That didn't even make any sense. Yeah, okay, I don't like you. So, now, these are our contenders. So here, we got Ricardo and number 5. And here is Leakless and Nigga. Why would you say that? I don't know, I heard it in a rap song once and I thought I could just, use it. Dude, you couldn't use it. People find that very offensive. Sorry. Can you put my bandage on my head? Oh yeah, sure. Thanks. Okay, let's get back to the race. Now, these 2 cars are named Silver and... It's Chuck. Chuck! Yeah. I have a friend named Chuck, although he's at least better than you. Oh, well, thank you. And over here, we got number 7 and McQueen! But that's your name. Yeah, I know. I was just telling you I can't do this race. Well, too bad. I already got injured, so yeah. So, wait, where are you going? I'm taking him to the works. Oh, okay. So anyways, let's get on to the race. Now, there's 3 places in this race. First, second, and of course, third. So, let's see who's gonna win. On your marks, get set, go, wait, stop! Go, stop, are you serious? No, I forgot to say this. Now, you may each take different roads across the island. You may only stop for gas and wheels. Alright, and this is what I meant to say. On your marks, get set, go! And they're off. And there they go. Well, that's 2 cars out of the race already. So they're in last place. You okay, Turbo? No. Someone help them. Okay, well, they're out of the race. No! I'm going! Wait, what are you doing? Uh-oh, I better go after him. I can't move. Oh, for freak's sake. Ah! There we go. Wait, number 5! Where are you going? You can overheat! Your parts could blow up! Oh, Thomas, would you stop your whining? There's no other race car I won't be outshining. Too late! I've got a date. Streamlining. Whoosh! Number 5 is coming through. Whoosh! You got there's something you can do. Whoosh! Cause all you ever see of me will be a shining streak of racing blue. My clouds today will have a silver lining. I'll see my bossy brother get some undermining. Cause I'm the cream, the best in speed, streamlining. Oh. So it looks like it's coming up down, and number 5 is apparently racing up, which I told him not to for some apparent reason. 5? 5! That's not my name! You have to stop! Listen to me, 5! There's something wrong! I can't stop! I won't stop! Whoosh! The shooting star's coming through! Whoosh! Give up, there's nothing you can do! I think it's all over! Cause all you ever see of me will be... Ouch! It has happened! Number 5's boiler is blown up! He's slowing down! And it looks like that number 5 is out to the race. What a tragedy. Oh, the indignity. So it's Leakless and lead, followed by McQueen and Narco. And it looks like, by the looks of it, that the 2 race cars are gonna win. Oh wait, number 7 and McQueen are coming up fast. Au revoir. And it's over. McQueen and number 7 have won the race, followed by the other 2 race cars and the box cars and the other race cars in last place, winning by a mile on Cars Island today. I said you were in great shape, McQueen. I guess I was, but that was only because I was riding on the back of number 7 like a weirdo. Oh, don't worry, McQueen. You still won, by the way. Same with number 7. Oh, yeah. As for you. Oh, gosh. Okay. Time to fix you as well. I just need to fix the turbo first. Hey, number 5. Hey. Hey. Good job trying to get back in the race. Although I still think it wasn't that good for you to just jump back after when you just crashed. I know. But how did your boiler explode? I don't really know why. It's because he didn't wait for a safety valve. What? Gordon all over again. You think? You forgot your safety valve for racing? Yeah. Okay, but just next time, just wait for your safety valve. Because seriously, that was pretty naughty. Wait, maybe I'm naughty. I was talking to my brother. You 2 are brothers? Yes. Let's go. Okay then. But so what you did out there was so pretty brave, and I give you props for that. How do you give him props for almost dying? I don't know. But still, it's pretty nice. We almost won! It wasn't my fault, we were just racing. We almost won, nigga. You do realize I'm not black. You're white then. I'm not white either. I'm peach. Why, you little... Hey. Hold up. Don't punch him just because you thought he was racist. Yeah, he's not racist. What are you gonna do? Arresting you? What? You arrest me, folk? Yeah. Easy because I'm black, folk. Well, no. I mean, I'm black.